Hi, this is Thejettrimington, and I want to review my Nerf gun collection and Busby gun collection. So, yeah. Here's my Busby. I'll show you. This is really okay, so this is my Busby double barrel shotgun, and it has like a storage container in here where you put all the darts and shells. And how you reload it is you push this little button here and it releases it, and you pull it all the way back till you hear it click like that, and then you do that, and then there's two options. You pull it just a little bit to shoot the first one, then the rest of the way to shoot the second one, or you pull it all the way to shoot both of them at the same time like that. And these are the shells and darts for it, and I've put like a little logo on it. And this was my first ever Busby gun I ever got. I modified the clip. Someone showed me this. You rip the button that was here off, and I just put it over and marked it with yellow marker. So instead of pushing the button, you just pull it out, like, so it's in, and I'm not pushing any buttons. Oops. And it just comes out. Yeah, and the maximum darts of this is, I think 7 or 6. And the way you reload it is really hard. But I found this strap. My mum gave me this strap. Well, I asked, and I put it around here because I'm not like an adult that can do this really easily. You go like this, you pull this thing back, and it opens this little thing here, and you pull it all the way back, and the shell and dart pop in, then you pull it back, and then you go like that, and yeah. And this was my first ever Nerf gun. It's the Recon. And a lot of people think the Recon is the whole thing, but these are just the attachments. The Recon's actually just a handgun. That's the Recon, and it's pretty easy. You can go like, or like, boom, and then like that, and the clip goes in here, and the dart goes in here, and it comes with a laser thing. I'll just get it, and a pointless sight which broke. This is the laser. See? And now it's a laser, and that's a light. I reckon it's helpful in the dark. And these are my second Busby guns that I got. They're like, what's the name of them? It doesn't say the name, but they're sort of good. You go like, but I thought the barrel spins, but it actually doesn't. So, yeah. Now let's move on to the big ones. This is my long strike, I don't know. And instead of the long shot, it holds two clips in here, and it's pretty easy. And it's got just the gun itself without the extended barrel. It's 1, 2, and it has this little door. Oh yeah, the Recon has a little door in it as well, like this, to get the jammed bullets in. Out. And this is how long it is. And you can hold it like this, or like that, or like this. And the way you release the clips is you pull this back. Well, that has to come back, and that moves. And it's the longest Nerf gun in the world. I'll try and show you how tall it is. I'm 4'11". This gun's probably around 3 feet. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And what I think is really stupid about it is it has the clip. It only comes with one clip, even though it has 2 extra dart spaces. But I lost a few darts for it. And this is my prized possession. The Vulcan. Yes. I only got this a few weeks ago. There's 2 ways of shooting it. There's semi-automatic and manual. I'll show you the manual way. So the manual way is like you pull the bolt thing back and then you go like that. But it's kind of hard without the stand. Okay, yeah, it comes with a little container that sticks onto the Vulcan. That comes here, like that. And you stick the belt in here. And the way you put it on semi-automatic is this: you flick that and you push that down. And it comes with a little tiny tripod that's not really helpful when, well, it's not that big. It's weird. And mine came with extra darts. 50 darts total, but it should only come with 25. And yeah. Okay, now I'll test the guns. I'll do the first one. Okay, I've loaded it. They're in, and I'm closing it. Okay. Holding it straight, I think. Well, sort of. So I'll show you how fast the first one goes. How far, I mean. Okay, so the first one was from this wall all the way. It hit up here, which is the third one, and then it fell on the floor. Okay, second one. Just put this here. Just a second. Oh yeah, it's already loaded. Sorry. Okay, I'll shoot the third one. Oh. That shot really bad. Ooh. Yeah, that didn't go anywhere near as far as the other one went. Okay. Now the next one is the Busby rapid fire rifle. Just a second while I reload it. I'll only shoot it once. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, the Busby shotgun is when you reopen that little clip, that thing, the shells shoot out. Okay, so I'll shoot it. Oh, that was the exact